how to promote Clickbank products beginners guide 2021. So guys, in this video exactly I'm going to show you how you can promote Clickbank products and make sale. Okay, and guys, it's going to be a pretty straightforward way. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you a free and easy way. And also guys, if you watch the video till the end, I'm going to give you one more secret method to find really good products to promote. So stay tuned. And before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of videos on how to make money with affiliate marketing, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back and let's give you value. So again, I got a question from one of my followers where he said, please, I need help as I ran BioFit on Google Ads. I spent around $100 but no conversion. Please give me your advice. First things first. Okay, so when you go on Clickbank Marketplace, sort by gravity. So when you sort by gravity, which means how many advertisers are promoting that product. So as you could see, Okinawa, 600 people are promoting. Imagine 600 people are promoting, which means a lot of competition. Don't do that until and unless you are an expert. So for me as well, I made around $2,600 with around 500 hop links. Again, $5 per click I made, but it was not profitable for me. So I was like, no, I don't want to do it. Something which is much more profitable. So first 3, 4, 5 products, try to avoid it. Even with, I made money with all the things. Even custom keto diet, no, I didn't make, but diabetes freedom I made, then detox I made. Okay, but then there is a lot of competition, guys, a lot of competition. So make sure don't promote these products in the beginning until and unless you are expert. Okay, and also I made a video on how to do brand bidding. This is the most easiest way to make money on Clickbank, but try to choose the right product, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So let's say, for example, you want to promote BioFit. Okay, when you open BioFit, again, it's a weight loss thing. And if you do brand bidding, again, I don't think so you're allowed to do brand bidding if you just check over here. So make sure BioFit terms and conditions. Again, they're giving a free ebook as well, so much easier for us. Okay, so certain they don't allow. So let's say, for example, Okinawa. So Control F, brand. So see, you're not allowed to do brand bidding. So make sure you don't do it at all. Okay, so they're going to ban you. The next thing is what you do is, again, they provide a free ebook. Okay, download it. So that's what I do, but I don't download it from here. I go on WikiHow. I do weight loss, or I do go on Instructables, projects, search weight loss, and then, for example, home remedy for weight loss. Okay, once you do that, even over here you can, let's say, how to accelerate weight loss. Imagine 184,000 people have seen this, so which means people are watching this. Okay, do it in Word. Okay, just copy the whole thing. Okay, file, and then you can export as PDF. The next best thing is just download this one. Just download. Okay, once you download, then all you have to do is just go on Google, type PDF editor, type Sajda. Okay, upload your PDF. So I just uploaded it, guys. So you can change anything you want. So let's say home remedy for, or just delete this. I can just delete. You can delete whatever you want. Okay, delete. Or maybe if I want to add something, you can add beginners guy. Okay, that's done. You can, name, make sure you just tag the author as well. Let the author know. So always go down. Okay, the next best thing what you could do is, once this is done, and then come over here, step 5, or you can type step 5. Okay, so you can design anyhow it is. Increase, go back on BioFit. Okay, so just over my head, okay, just make a PDF where it says step 5, fun and effortlessly way to lose weight. Click here. You can add the hop link over here. So if I just do over here, I can add the hop link. For example, I can go over here, promote BioFit. I'll go to the hop link as well. Yeah, so again, just make sure the link is correct. Okay, click over here. It will move me to BioFit. So again, provide value, guys. Again, you can do from WikiHow, or you can do it from Instructables, and then you can edit your PDF. Not even with this, guys. Again, think about it. You can do it with yoga as well. Okay, again, how to relieve stress with yoga. So guys, again, you can do it with yoga as well and start promoting it. Okay, you can do it, go on Facebook, start sharing it. You can do it on, you can do ads as well, Snapchat ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads. Sky is the limit, guys. So think about it. So again, that's there. And also now, as I promised guys, a bonus thing which I'm going to give you is, so guys, Clickbank website is for beginners, guys. Again, if you're just new to affiliate marketing, you can just go on Clickbank. There are other websites as well. So one of them is MaxWeb. Okay, a lot of products where you can do a lot of brand bidding as well. You have your account manager, talk to her. So for me, my account manager is her. Again, she will explain me everything. And guess what, guys, one of the things which I ran, just with 10 clicks, I got one sale, which is again $8 per click. I'm getting 8 per click is for me, I think so, $8, 10% conversion rate, $80 I made today. So again, the same thing which you could do a lot of brand biddings, or the next best thing is provide value. Someone would buy from you because you provide value. You are watching my videos because I give you value. So again, MaxWeb, go back, lot of products you can choose from for brand bidding, or just for example, just provide them value as well. And I think so that's it for guys today's video. I hope it's valuable, and if it's valuable, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.